Have convictions. Be friendly. Stick to your beliefs as they stick to theirs. Work as hard as they do. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. One's philosophy is not best expressed in words. It is expressed in the choices one makes, and the choices we make are ultimately our responsibility. It is better to light a candle than curse the darkness. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. It isn't enough to talk about peace. One must believe in it. And it isn't enough to believe in it. One must work at it. Never allow a person to tell you no who doesn't have the power to say yes. Probably the happiest period in life most frequently is in middle age, when the eager passions of youth are cooled, and the infirmities of age not yet begun. It is not fair to ask of others what you are not willing to do yourself. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life, and be without flavor. The battle for the individual rights of women is one of long standing, and none of us should countenance anything which undermines it. Hate and force cannot be in just a part of the world without having an effect on the rest of it. It is not more vacation we need, it is more vocation. The giving of love is an education in itself. Remember always that you not only have the right to be an individual, you have an obligation to be one. Life must be lived and curiosity kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life. Since you get more joy out of giving joy to others, you should put a good deal of thought into the happiness that you are able to give. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water.